Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Since this morning, I wanted to do a video on the product I'm taking to the store I'm in. The store is about a half hour from us, and it is a local artisan store, so they have a lot of local artists in there. She's got honey, and she's got people that do bowls and scarves, and I mean, you name it, she has it in there. They've only been open a year, and I've been in there for about 3 months. So I have a little bit of Valentine's Day stuff I'm taking in today. I'll do a video, continuation of this video once I get to the store, but wanted to show you what I'm taking. I am taking these, which are little candy boxes. I have a tutorial on these if you'd like to see it. Not sure what I'm going to sell them at. I think we're going to do 5 for those. I'm also taking our candy bouquets. I also have a tutorial on these. These are the 2 that I have here at the house. We took them to a craft show last weekend, and they didn't sell, so we are going to take them to the store and try to get rid of them before Valentine's Day. So this one's the sweet tarts, and then I also have the Swedish fish one. These make great gifts. If you'd like to see it, find my tutorial. I should have it up in the top corner here. I will link it. I'm also taking my mugs for Valentine's Day. There is a tutorial coming out today for those. I will link it in the video. And these ones are so cute. I'm not sure what I think we're going to sell these for $5, $5 or $6. So I will see you guys in the store here in a few seconds. Hi guys, so we are back after visiting my shop. I totally forgot to record about what I was doing there. So pretty much what I did was I went in and I talked to the owner of the store that we're in. And I messed with my table. I rearranged some things. And then I put my new product out. She gave me my labels, which I have to buy labels for their machine. I bought one when I first started, and I haven't gone through them all. But that's our job, to keep the labels in the store. And then she'll print out the barcodes. I put it on my product. I have little tags that I attach to my product. It should be in the video from when I was setting up. So I do that, and then I got talking to her, and I totally forgot to videotape my table, but I do have pictures, and I will import them in. So for this store that I'm in, it's in Streetsboro, Ohio, and she charges us a fee for the table or part of the wall. She does 4-foot sections, I think 6-foot sections. And then she has bigger sections. I have a table, which I pay on monthly. And then every month I get a commission from her. And she keeps 20%. So we're at 80-20. I keep 80% of my sales in the store, and she keeps 20%. But she does all of the advertising for us. She does Facebook Lives once a week. So to me, it's worth it. All I have to do in my contract is to post on my Facebook. Any post that she has, I have to interact. I watch her live shows because she does present my product on the Saturday shows. So I mean, every place is different. It depends on where you're at. So if you like this show, please like and subscribe. Comment in the bottom with any questions, and we will see you later.